Greetings to my fellow ESOMAR members. My name is Lisa Wilding Brown, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer here at InnovateMR, a global sample and research technology firm headquartered in Calabasas, California, with global offices in Europe and in India. And I'm running for re-election in this year's ESOMAR Council election, and I would be deeply honored to continue representing our thriving worldwide community. I've been in the market research industry for nearly 20 years. I recognize that our industry needs innovative thought leaders who have a proven track record of advocating and educating and who can help shepherd our community through these challenging times. I've served on several boards and presented at countless conferences across the world. And I've been an active member of Wire Exec, which is an elite group of female entrepreneurs who promote diversity and equity in the insight space. In 2020, I was appointed to the Insights Association's inaugural laureate class. In 2021, I was included in the Insights 250 list of innovative leaders and named a research hero by the Market Research Society for my contributions to DEI and the implementation of a vaccine program for our global staff and their extended families. I'm also a founding member of the Multicultural Insights Collective, a group of diverse industry veterans whose mission is to foster racial equity in our industry and in our insights. I bring this informed and critical perspective to my work with ESOMAR every day. During my tenure as an ESOMAR council member, I've been involved in various working groups to move the needle on important initiatives, such as the Young ESOMAR Society, where our team developed a robust sponsorship program to help link young researchers with exciting opportunities focused on leadership development and career advancement. I also served on the DEI Working Committee, and we are working diligently to develop ESOMAR's DEI directory, which will host a myriad of resources to help researchers create a more fair and equitable research strategy for greater representation. Since our term began, I worked closely with our president, Kristen Luck, to help advance North American individual membership by over 120%, and corporate membership grew by over 55% during our term. And I've also facilitated ESOMAR's first CEO forum at our annual Congress in Toronto. These passions aren't just the right thing to do, but they're an imperative for the health and future of our industry. As a dual citizen of both the US and the UK, I have the unique experience and the global worldview needed to advocate for ESOMAR and its entire community. And I will continue to work relentlessly to promote our industry, as well as support and advise our members. I hope to earn your vote. It would be a true honor and privilege to serve you as a council member for another term and continue to build upon the great work our organization is doing. Thank you for listening, and here's to a brighter future in 2023 and beyond.